Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I'll show you how you can change your display scale. So at first we have to go for the settings, next open the system settings, and when you are here we have to scroll down a little bit and focus on this option. Here we can change the size of the text, apps and other items. So click here, currently it's up on 125%. It's recommended, but if you want to increase or decrease scale, you can go for the 100% for example, or increase by going for 150. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.